Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Uber provides a platform that allows individuals to request rides from nearby drivers through a smartphone app. It offers various ride options, including Uberx, standard rides, Uberxl, larger vehicles, Uber Black, premium vehicles, and more. Riders can book rides, track drivers in real time, and make cashless payments through the app. Uber has expanded its services to include food delivery, Uber Eats, and other logistics-related businesses. Here are 9 ways to earn money from Uber as a driver partner. 1. Driving passengers, rideshare service. The primary way to earn money with Uber is by offering rides to passengers. You can use your own vehicle to provide transportation services to riders who request trips through the Uber app. Earnings are typically based on factors such as distance, time, and location. 2. Driving for Uber Eats. Uber offers a food delivery service called Uber Eats. You can sign up as a delivery driver and earn money by delivering food orders to customers. This service can be an additional source of income. 3. Drive for Uber Freight. Uber Freight is a platform that connects truck drivers with shippers. If you're a commercial truck driver, you can use Uber Freight to find and book freight hauling jobs. 4. Drive for Uber for Business. Some drivers specialize in offering rides to business travelers. They may provide transportation services to corporate clients, hotels, and conference centers. 5. Airport pickups. Airport pickups can be a lucrative source of income for Uber drivers. You can wait in designated areas at airports to pick up passengers arriving on flights. 6. Surge pricing. During peak demand times, Uber implements surge pricing, which increases the fares. Drivers can earn more during surge periods due to higher rates. 7. Driver referral bonuses. Uber often offers referral bonuses to drivers who refer new driver partners to the platform. You can earn a bonus for each referred driver who completes a set number of trips. 8. In-app tips. Riders have the option to leave tips in the Uber app. Providing excellent customer service can lead to higher tips, increasing your overall earnings. 9. Vehicle rental programs. Some drivers may choose to rent vehicles through Uber's vehicle rental programs. These programs allow individuals without access to their own vehicles to become Uber drivers and earn money.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.